Prepare to be amazed when you walk into this 2,899 square foot Bradford floor plan. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath First Texas home is perfect if you like wide open floor plans and large living areas. As you walk through the 8-foot door, you'll be impressed by the soaring high ceilings and signature stone fireplace. This open family room sits just off the gourmet kitchen and includes custom cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and butler's pantry. The oversized master suite offers lots of private space and has a large walk-in closet. The master bath has custom tile throughout with a separate shower and deep jetted tub. As you work your way up the curved staircase, the architectural detail keeps rolling into the second story and 3 bedrooms. This Bradford floor plan comes complete with a game room loft for lots of friends and family recreation. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every First Texas community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.